Hello everyone, with this video we will demonstrate how to assemble Samsung Galaxy M31. To begin, assemble Main PBA. Assemble Sub PBA. Fix and align coaxial cable. Connect all connectors. Fix and connect LCD FPCB. Fix and connect B2B FPCB. Connect battery connector. Tighten one screw. Assemble main antenna. Assemble mid cover. Tighten 15 screws. Assemble fingerprint module matching with the lock notch and connect B2B connector. Attach fingerprint sensor tape. Please note, every time while reassembling rear cover on fingerprint, remove old tape and replace with a new one. For this, kindly refer ESG 2019-1115 guide for fingerprint sensor tape assembly in M30S. Remove protection vinyl. Assemble rear case. Assemble the SIM or SD card socket. At last, do the final inspection. So this is how we can assemble Samsung Galaxy M31. Hope this video was of great help. Thank you for watching.